Could this sneaker be the best bang for your buck?
Perfect.
Hello there broskies, Erkin back here with another video. And this is the sneaker with the least hype in my collection. On today's episode, we are having a look at the Nike Air Max Invigor. Bro, I've had these for about 5 or 6 years now, and I still don't know what to make of them. I'm gonna address this now, straight away. Yes, this may be the poor man's Air Max 95, but considering it doesn't even cost half of what that sneaker is, then you can't really complain too much. This is far from one of the staple Air Maxes that we all know and love. This is one of those sneakers you'd buy for work, for school, and just beat up till the cows come home. And that's exactly what I bought it for ages ago. And I've actually got 2 pairs. I've beat this one into the ground. Have a look at this. This has been abused and used. Look, the Air Max bubble is actually yellowing. This one has been battered. Can you see that? But I do prefer this colorway over the black one, I can't lie. It's just clean, it is. And I don't know the official colorway to this one, but I will leave the style code down below. But we're mainly focusing on this triple black version just because it looks so stealthy. Now this silhouette is one of the only sneakers that are on sale all year round. And you can actually pick up a pair for about 40 to 50 pounds. And I will leave some purchase links down below for you lot. But before we waffle on anymore, let's have a look at the box. Now it does come in your bog standard red Nike box, but the official name is Nike Air Max Invigor, and the colorway is called black, and anthracite. This is one of the most basic Air Maxes on the market, but if you're looking for cheap and cheerful, this may be the one to go for, especially for school. I know there's a lot of kids that don't want to wear shoes and they just want a nice trainer they can beat up. But having a look around this silhouette in a little bit more detail, this is mostly of mesh on the upper with little structure, and it could actually pass off as Flyknit in terms of how it looks, but it's got more of a nylon feel compared to the cotton Flyknit, and even though it's breathable, it's nowhere near on that level. And yes, it's got that Air Max 95 silhouette shape, but it is mostly like the 95 Ultra SE. It's a lot lighter like that silhouette and a lot more streamlined, but we've got those patterns on the upper on both the medial and lateral side, and we've got that matte finish to the mudguards. Now there are 2 massive Nike swooshes at the back on both sides of the silhouette, which for me doesn't really do much. I really wish they added a bit more pop to those Nike swooshes. But going to the laces, it is very standard with these flat roped laces, and we've got that mesh tongue with the Nike tab at the top. And inside at the sock liner, again, it's that cotton mesh with that black insole. And finishing off at the back, it's got that sort of nubuck finish as well, with the Nike Air branding stitched on top. Now making our way to this simple and bland midsole. It's of course all foam towards the front and the middle, with this air unit towards the back. And finishing off on the outsole, it does again look slightly like the 95, but nowhere near as identical. It is of course in all black with the waffle design. I know, you're far from blown away. But for that price, can you really get any better in terms of an Air Max sneaker? Comment down below if you can. But in terms of its sizing, these do fit very much true to size. They are slightly more on the narrow side, so take that into account. If you do happen to have wide feet, then I'd say go 1 size up. But for me, true to size was fine. You know that cousin that just wants to be you so badly? I feel like this is the Air Max 95's cousin, and it just wants to be that guy. Wants to dress like him, wants to get the same haircut, same clothes, same trainers, but just doesn't have the same sauce. And for a fraction of the Air Max 95's price, I can't really be too mad. But we have to still decide, broskies, whether these are a buy or a buy. Now if I could go back 5 or so years ago when I first got these, would I still have purchased these? And if I have to think about it, the answer is yes. Simply because around that time I couldn't afford all the Air Maxes that I really wanted, but I still loved the Nike Air Max line nonetheless. And granted, this is far from the most comfortable Air Max you will ever put on, and it's far from the most stylish, but grabbing these on sale right now for about £50, can you really complain? If you're looking for a daily beater for school, comfortable for work and you don't really want to get noticed too much, and you're also not afraid to beat these up, then I can't really see an Air Max for the same price. But overall, for me, in my opinion, a very simple Air Max, one with no hype whatsoever, and also as cheap as chips. So I am indeed gonna give this Nike Air Max Invigor a buy. But broskies, leave it down below what you think about this silhouette. Is this sneaker a bit too simple for you? Are you thinking about getting these for school or work? Leave it all down below and I will be pinning the best comments. Anyways broskies, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. Don't forget to hit me up on the IG as well. I'm very active on there, so if you ever want to hit me up, then that's the place to do so. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And of course, until the next episode, take care.